I am praying every time that I start the videos in order that Jesus Christ of Nazareth organize my mind. Um, Today we're gonna continue with the J uh, or Jesus alike videos uploader CMS, and what we're going to do is just to go directly to the project because it's kind of late. I don't like to code after 10 p.m. But I am not neither, like a bake or something like that, and that is going to be always running from the responsibility. Even though, as I told you before, we're gonna create different branches every for every change that we do on the project. Let me show it to you. Okay, now let's just see what we have on the. Okay, we have the image and we have the index. Let's create the structure of the, let's say, of the project, but it's not only the structure of it's a CMS. So let's say that we're gonna create a img directory. We're gonna create a public directory. We're gonna create a let's see, assets, no, let's see, it could be controllers and also views. Yes, let's create a controllers directory. Let's create a views directory. Model view controller. Now it's missing only the model. I will tell you what the truth. Sometimes when you are making a project on PHP or React, you don't need necessarily many models. You could just use one model with different controllers and different views, because the model itself is just like uh, one file that will process the information before it goes to the database or to the backend. So it can be only one file, but in our case, just for us not to complicate the project and to make it easy to understand to people that are starting, let's make a models um, for the directory. In that way we will have one model for every different view and one controller for every different model and view that we are gonna send to the backend. Okay, also we will have a directory that is gonna be, for example, private, and in the directory of private I'm gonna say private. I would like to create a file that is gonna be, for example, connection.php, and that is going to be the video from today. Even though it seems kind of easy, everything that we have done, you will see now, is important. Let me see it, show it to you, sorry. Okay, now let's go backward. Let's create videos, and now let's go to ls, and you will see here is a private directory, views, controllers, models, public, and img. Also, it's good for you to know that inside of public sometimes the img is uh, placed, but I don't like to place the img directory inside of public. Why? Well, because I think that public is public and img is img. I mean, in img is kind of images, but in general, okay? And public can be images, but for the project. I don't know if you get it. Um, what I'm gonna do now is just to take the image that we have and to place it inside of the folder. And after that, I'm gonna make the git pull, git commit, and git push to our repository. Let's go here, img, and that's it. See you in the next video, and I hope that you have learned a lot. Remember, this is just the structure of the project. Now you will see that the image itself is not present. I don't usually make my own commits with my own words because sadly I feel that, well, that is another story, okay? See you in the next occasion, and I hope that you have learned something. Remember that Jesus Christ of Nazareth loved you much more than my board and much more than Harvey's. Or it's not written, am I human to commit mistakes? Says God.